this video, we are evaluating the integral of tan inverse of secx plus tan x dx, where x lies between minus pi over 2 to pi over 2. We will solve this problem in 5 steps. Number 1, we'll write secx plus tan x in terms of sine and cos. Number 2, we'll convert sine x and cos x by using pi by 2 plus x formula. Number 3, we'll use the double angle formula for sine and cosine. Number 4, we'll use the formula tan inverse of tan x equals x, where x lies between 0 and pi over 2. And number 5, we'll integrate. So let's get started. Number 1, let's write secx plus tan x in terms of sine and cos. So secx is 1 over cos. Tan x is sine x over cos x. By taking LCM, we can write it as 1 plus sine x over cos x. Now, using the second step, we can write, using the second step here, we can write sine x as minus of cos pi by 2 plus x and cos x as sine of pi by 2 plus x. Therefore, this expression will become 1 minus cos pi over 2 plus x divided by sine pi over 2 plus x. The reason behind this is that we want to convert the given expression in the form of tan inverse of tan of something. So in order to get secx plus tan x in the form of tan, we are converting 1 plus sine x in the form of 1 minus cos x, so that we can use the formula of 1 minus cos 2 theta. Now, we know that 1 minus cos 2 theta equals 2 sine square theta. If I replace 2 theta by pi by 2 plus x, pi by 2 plus x, that means theta equals pi over 4 plus x over 2. So we can write secx plus tan x as the numerator will become 2 sine square theta, which was pi over 4 plus x over 2. For the denominator, we can use the formula that sine 2 theta equals 2 sine theta cos theta. Replacing 2 theta by pi over 2 plus x, theta is pi over 4 plus x over 2. So if you use this here, what do you get? We can write the expression as 2 sine pi over 4 plus x over 2 times cos pi over 4 plus x over 2. Now, we can cancel out 2 and we can cancel out 1 of sine term. So what we are left with? We are left with sine pi over 4 plus x over 2 divided by cos pi over 4 plus x over 2. And sine over cos is tan. So we have tan of pi over 4 plus x over 2. In the next step, the given integral, which is tan inverse of sec x plus tan x dx, becomes integral of tan inverse tan of pi by 4 plus x over 2 dx, and which can be written as integral of pi over 4 plus x over 2 dx, x in the given limits of minus pi over 2 to pi over 2. And if we integrate it, we get pi over 4 times x plus x square over 4 plus c. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you.